Hi, I'm Evette Rios, and this Halloween, trick or treat your family to a hearty chili dinner after a night of begging for sweets. But this isn't just an ordinary chili night, because I'm putting this meal to rest in a coffin of toppings galore. It's not only frightfully fun to make, it's also delicious to eat. I need you guys to take a look at this slow cooker. Look at this, it is The Nightmare Before Christmas themed, and it's got Jack Skellington here on the lid. I mean, how cute is that? Perfect for Halloween. So this is literally a dump and stir recipe, super easy. That's all you do, just mix it together, turn it on, close it up, and let it cook for 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and make my own tortilla chips, but instead of just cutting them into triangles, a super fun idea is to use cookie cutters in Halloween shapes. So I've got different flavors of tortillas here. I've got some jalapeno cheddar, plain, and some spinach, just to make sure that I've got some pretty colors and all sorts of different flavors. And there you go, look how cute is that? And then I'm gonna go ahead and just put them on a baking sheet, spray them down with a little cooking spray. Then you just wanna pop these in the oven at 325 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes, and halfway through, flip them over. Okay, the chili's done, and it's time to assemble the to die for coffin chili board. Got some usual suspects here. Cornbread and chili are like best friends, but these are super cute because I used molds that are Halloween-y, like little jack-o'-lanterns and ghosts. Pasta is a really nice addition. This is Halloween-themed pasta. And then of course, our tortilla chips. Now, when you're assembling a board like this, it's really easy. It's kind of anything goes. So I've got some sour cream here. I'm gonna put it in this skeleton skull-shaped bowl, which I think is so super cute. Put some guacamole here. Then I'm gonna add my little skeleton sour cream. Got some chopped up green onions here. And then I've got all sorts of other little additives. Corn salsa, so delicious with chili, yum yum. Little pickles. I've got some crackers here. Radishes are some of my family's favorites. I can't not have cheese. So I've got 2 different kinds of cheeses cut into little cubes. You can use any cheeses you'd like. They're a great, great addition for your chili. And then I've got some sliced up sweet peppers. These are great for color, but they're also so delicious in chili. My kids actually eat these as snacks. And then I've got some cilantro here that I'm gonna use just to kind of put in as little sprigs. And then of course you need a few tricks to add to the board. So I've got these hairy little spiders. They're so creepy. One last little touch there, and I cannot wait for the kids to get home from trick-or-treating because I'm sure they're gonna gobble this right up.